Here's how to fix WhatsApp if it keeps crashing. Now, if you're trying to open up the WhatsApp app and it keeps crashing on you, there are a few different things that you can check and do to get that fixed. The first thing that we'll do is we'll hop into a web browser and we'll just type in "is WhatsApp down" and search for that. Now let's go to down detector here and we'll see if there are big reported outages in WhatsApp. If you see a huge spike in reported outages, it keeps crashing basically because the servers are broken. There's an issue or bug with the servers themselves. Now, if that is not the issue, the next thing that we'll do is check to see if it's an issue on your WhatsApp app. So let's go into the App Store and we'll hit search at the bottom right. And then we'll just search for WhatsApp, hit search, and right next to it, if it says to update it, just update to the latest version. Potentially any kind of bug is causing it to crash, and that is basically baked in to the newest version of WhatsApp. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, the last thing that we'll do is we'll go into settings. We'll tap on general, and then we'll tap on iPhone storage. Now we'll find the WhatsApp app on here. If you're on Android, you can just find the app in your settings, clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall it. But on the iPhone, we will offload it and then just reinstall the WhatsApp app here. This force updates it, clears the cache, all of that stuff. By going through all of these steps, you should be able to open it up and it should be working as normal, not crashing. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.